Hello there, BoBo, the Bitcoiner is back. What is an asset? An asset is an item of property value owned by a person or company, having value and available to meet debts and commitment. In other words, you need to own that asset or that item. There are numerous assets in today's world. Fiat money, shares, bond, real estate or property, commodity like gold, silver, oil, rubber, etc. And now, Bitcoin. But as the world evolves, each asset value has been deteriorating, except for Bitcoin. Fiat money, a paper value used to be backed by gold until Nixon depacked in the 1971. It becomes in God we trust. In God we trust. Paper money. Question is, which God? Whose God? As it turns out, America is the God. And when America abuses their God by printing paper money indefinitely, the world no more trusts America. The same goes for many of the developed countries. And for the less developed country, of course, all trusts are gone because of their corrupted government. Every paper money becomes a mistrust. And then, what choice does the people have? People is controlled by the government, and the government said this is our legal money and we have no choice but to continue to use it. That's money. Shares. Just like a paper certificate to ownership of a company. All right. Problem is they are highly manipulated and speculated. Prices shoot up, down many times without honest integrity. All right. Except for a few high-tech companies, most of the companies are struggling to survive. It is said that in the whole of US stock market is dependent on the seventh technological company. The same with bond, which is an IOU and is equally manipulated. Real estate is probably a more stable asset as it is a physical item that do not disappear easily. A good location can carry a long-term value, but is subject to property tax, maintenance, deterioration of the building, and cannot be moved easily. Commodity is a physical item that is subject to supply and demand, mostly or costly to maintain, not easy to move, and not always liquid. Everybody knows that every asset has a cost maintenance attached to it, right? And over time, it lost some of its value through inflation, debasement, maintenance, or loss of trust. The world before has not truthfully has an asset that can maintain value over time. So, what is the next available best? There's no other better alternative than Bitcoin because of its finite 21 million Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is deflationary, and over time, the purchasing power is expected to increase even, as proven in the last 15 years. No other asset have this kind of mileage and superiority. There is simply no comparison. Not to mention that there are countless other benefits of Bitcoin, like cannot be manipulated or corrupted, cannot be censored or confiscated, cannot be controlled, cannot be hacked. It's an universal asset that is open to the whole world without having to ask for permission. Everyone can use it. Everyone is free to buy and sell when it's needed. It's actually a financial freedom. And the best part of it, you can invest any amount, $10 or $50, whatever. Most other assets will require you to start with thousands of dollars at least. The asset value of Bitcoin is unparalleled. All right. As said in the opening statement, we need to own an asset value to meet our debts and commitment. Now that we have one asset that do not depreciate or goes down in value, we better treasure this possession. Short video today. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.